In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome redirects. Have you ever found yourself browsing on Chrome and suddenly you're redirected to a page you never intended to visit? It's a frustrating experience, often caused by unwanted software or browser settings that have been changed. Fortunately, there's a straightforward way to resolve this, and I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring your browsing experience is back to normal in no time. First, let's take a look at your browser. Open Google Chrome if you haven't already. Once you have it open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a three-dot icon. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. It's essentially your gateway to all of Chrome's options and settings, which is why it's an essential step in addressing redirect issues. With the drop-down menu open, your next move will be to choose Settings. This will open a new tab where you can manage Chrome's overall settings. This area acts as the control center, facilitating adjustments that can resolve many common browser issues, including unwanted redirects. On the left side of the screen, you'll find a panel with various options. What we're looking for here is Reset Settings. This option allows you to undo any changes that might be causing unpredictable browser behaviors. Click on it, and it will bring you to another screen specifically dedicated to resetting various Chrome settings. On this new page, you should see an option that says Restore Settings to their original defaults. What this does is reset your browser to its factory settings. Clicking this will undo any unwanted changes without affecting your saved bookmarks or passwords, so it's a safe step to take. Once you click it, you'll be prompted with a confirmation dialog. Read the information provided to ensure that you're comfortable proceeding, and then go ahead and confirm. After you confirm, the final step is to restart Chrome. This ensures that all the changes take effect. Simply close your browser and open it again as you normally would. Once Chrome is restarted, you should notice that the pesky redirects have been resolved and your browsing experience is smooth and interruption-free. And there you have it, a clear and effective way to stop those annoying redirects in Google Chrome. It's a simple process, but it makes a huge difference in how enjoyable your time online can be. I hope you found this walkthrough useful and that your browser is now running as it should. Thank you for watching, and if you have any further questions or need additional help, feel free to leave a comment below.